Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 4. These are earbuds with the model number series MTW4, and you need to do a soft reset or a forced restart on them. Now you're going to want to do this basically if these are not working properly, if they're not pairing with one another, if they're not pairing with your device or not connecting to Bluetooth. Or anything like that. If you're having sound issues, you're trying to fix issues like that, but you're not trying to do a hard reset to the factory default settings. You do not want to delete the pairing information. You basically just want to force it to power cycle to kind of fix whatever bug you're dealing with. You're going to do this. This is really easy to do on these. All you need to do is put them back in the case and then close the case. And once you close the case, if you take them right back out, nothing will happen because they stay on for a while after you close the case. But if you close the case and wait at least 10 seconds, they'll turn off. And once they turn off, then you can open up the case. But you have to put them in the case, close the case. After 10 seconds, you can open the case, take them back out. They'll start back up, and hopefully that's fixed whatever issue that you've had. If it doesn't fix whatever issue you've had, you might want to move on to a hard reset to the factory default settings, and I'll put a link in the description to the instructions for that.